chai latte for the bitch who didn't brush her hair this morning, but decided to put it in an unsightly bun that we all couldn't help but notice.
So, as you can see, guys, this place is massive.
So much bigger than we thought.
With all these abandoned cars and everything, look at that.
All right.
Creepy.
So, I'm the oldest.
See that? No. Oh, that was creepy.
That's really...
How about you lead the way?
Oh my gosh, I'll lead the way, you sissies.
All right.
I want you to leave my brother. No. Try to kill me, bitch. You can't, can you?
Brandon cheated.
What the hell? You were supposed to meet me after drama club.
How long have we been working for Noah? Under some crappy name. I'd rather have a bullet stuck in my ear than hear the name Cleo. You'll have me making up for this for the rest of my life.
We'll be making up for this, not just you.
This won't exist if Noah decides to take care of loose ends. I love you, Chloe.
I love you, Amelia. I'm always here for you.
You haven't done anything that needs forgiveness.